The practice of digital India. Aadhaar glossary. All Aadhaar related terms starting with A. Aadhaar. Aadhaar is a 12-digit individual identification number issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India on behalf of the Government of India. Aadhaar holder. Aadhaar holder is an individual who holds an Aadhaar number. Aadhaar number. Aadhaar number is the unique identification number issued to a resident by UIDAI. Aadhaar enabled services. Aadhaar enabled services is services provided by an authentication user agency to Aadhaar holder using the Aadhaar authentication services of UIDAI. Aadhaar authentication services. Aadhaar authentication services is the authentication services provided by UIDAI and used by authentication user agency where the personal identity information of data of an Aadhaar holder who is a beneficiary, customer, employee or associate of the authentication user agency is matched with their personal identity information / data that is stored in the UIDAI's central identity data repository in order to provide Aadhaar enabled services to such Aadhaar holder. Aadhaar seeding. Aadhaar seeding means linking Aadhaar holders' unique 12-digit Aadhaar number with their personal identification documents or benefit cards such as scholarships, pension ID, MNREGA job card, or LPG consumer ID. Authentication. Authentication means the process of verifying the UID number of a resident with reference to his biometrics. Authority. Unique Identification Authority of India. API or Application Programming Interface. An application programming interface or API specifies how some software components should interact with each other. ASA or Authentication Service Agency, an organization or an entity providing secure leased line connectivity to UIDAI's data centers for transmitting authentication requests from various AUAs. AUA or Authentication User Agency, an organization or an entity using Aadhaar authentication as part of its applications to provide services to residents, example, a bank. Authentication data packet. Authentication data packet is a data packet which has been created based on predefined protocol, data elements, order of data elements, etc., prescribed by UIDAI from time to time and which contains personal identity data PID collected from Aadhaar holders for the purpose of Aadhaar authentication. Authentication device. Authentication device is a terminal or device from where the authentication user agency carries out its service or business functions and interacts with Aadhaar holders by seeking authentication of Aadhaar holders' identity to enable the authentication user agency's business function. ATM, Automated Teller Machine.